Hello, this is Lokesh Prasad Kokatla. I'm going to explain today about the adapter pattern. Here's my code for the adapter pattern, and this one is the SD card. Here, we do this method. This method read SD represents how the SD card stores and it provides the data, but the computers it expects the different method, the read USB. So this class is not directly compatible with the USB port, and that's why we created the USB port.py. This is our target interface. These computers extract the USB devices to have a read USB method. Since the SD card does not have any read USB, we need an adapter to make it compatible. So we created this SD card adapter.py. So this SD card adapter inherits from the USB port, so it behaves like a USB device and wraps an SD card object and translates the read SD into the read USB. And now when a computer calls read USB, it actually calls the read SD behind the scenes. And this is the main code. So here we create an SD card object. We wrap it inside the SD card adapter, which makes it look like a USB device. Calling the adapter read USB actually calls the SD card read SD, allowing compatibility. And I'm going to run this now. It says reading data from SD card via USB adapter. Now I'm going to explain my class diagram, which is right here. So this is the USB port and the SD card adapter, and the SD card converts converts an SD card into a USB compatible device. This one, the read USB port, which is incompatible with USB, it expects the read USB. And this is the SD card adapter role. This one's role is it converts the SD card's interface, so it can only work with the USB port. It ensures that system expects the read USB but calls read SD behind the scenes. And this is the SD card. It has the read SD. Then now I'm going to compare the diagram with the adapter pattern example that you gave us in the class, and this is my diagram. These both have they both use the adapter pattern. They adapt one interface to match another without modifying existing classes. Both have the common structures, and this one has a SD card, this one has a payD. This one an expected interface USB port or an XPay. It both follows the composition over the inheritance principle. The adapter contains an instance of adaptee and a translate calls. Thank you.